Anthony Ruffin, Department of Mental Health. I do outreach with street teams. Yeah, what's up, my man? How you doing? I don't mind walking Skid Row. I don't mind walking anywhere in the county because I'm confident in the services that we provide. Why are you out here?
I'm in between housing.
What if I can get you in the Russ?
Oh, that'll work.
Before Measure H, it was taking us 6 months, a year to get somebody housed, and now we're down to a couple of months and sometimes a couple of weeks. So I get here at 8 o'clock.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in the Russ and I'm gonna connect you with this program called B-Span.
Man, I needed that.
You got that coming.
The Homeless Initiative administers the Measure H sales tax, which is a quarter-cent sales tax that our citizens pay here in Los Angeles County. And we use those dollars to fund programs and services for people experiencing homelessness.
We could not do this work. We could not help people without Measure H. It is the only funding source that we have that is for this subpopulation of people who are unhoused.
What the challenge has been is on any given day, more people become homeless than are exiting homelessness. We at the County of Los Angeles went through a really robust process a number of months ago where we looked at all of the strategies that we were funding, we looked at their outcomes, we looked at research. We did a lot of community stakeholder engagement sessions and we got a lot of input. Our strategies were working, but there were 51 of them. So the new framework focuses on coordinate, prevent, connect, house, and stabilize.
The new framework is going to make a difference because we are putting more resources directed toward permanent housing with social services to wrap around every individual who gets permanently housed.
I was a paid comedian, a paid actress. I got scammed and I ended up homeless. Never thought in a million years that I would be homeless.
The number one reason that people fall into homelessness is economics. It is not mental health, contrary to popular belief.
We have housed over 85,000 people in permanent housing, over 115,000 people in interim housing, increased our interim housing beds by over 50%. On any given day, we are providing shelter to almost 20,000 people. We have done deep investments in our homeless services sector, but we have a long ways to go.
The rental burden in LA County is extremely challenging for everybody, not just people who have low income or no income. And so because of that rental burden, and it's really a math problem, it's economics 101, which is that more people are falling into homelessness than we can help.
It was rough. I slept in my car and I got so bad that I didn't know who to ask for help. I needed resources.
We are really doubling down on permanent housing exits. We realize the only way to solve homelessness is to make sure that people have housing to exit to.
This system and this facility is the epitome of what homelessness to efficiency needs to be. I am truly grateful, and I'm trying not to be cliche, but I'm truly grateful for this place. It's a safe environment, period. And every concern that you have, they will address it.
My team focuses on individuals with severe mental illness that are experiencing unsheltered homelessness. The new framework really focuses on bringing us together in a more concentrated way.
What we are doing under the new framework is cutting the red tape. We are making the funding more flexible and more nimble. We want the service provider who's out on the front line, who's engaging somebody experiencing homelessness, to have the tools in their toolbox to be able to help that person.
They've really unhandcuffed us where we're able to do our work in a more efficient way.
We have 88 cities here in Los Angeles County.
Factored into the new strategy is collaboration with our city partners, which is going to be critical.
The City of El Monte has created a partnership with the county that has created an alignment, and we lower our homeless population more than 50%.
If we didn't have Measure H, the visuals that people see out on the street, hard to believe, would be far, far worse. My dream is that, nobody has to sleep on the streets who doesn't want to sleep on the streets.
Our goal is to resolve and prevent homelessness in Los Angeles County. It's a really big goal. It is doable if we all come together and if we align all of our resources as cities and county and with the state and the federal government as well.
I will get out of here and I will overcome